Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Three-Way Trade back at it again with another video. I hope y'all guys are doing well today. Today is cold. Today is cold. Very cold. So as you can see, we did get the account down to $1,100. Hey, it's cool. But we just had two back-to-back losing days. No problem, no biggie. I was impatient yesterday on the setup. Well, it wasn't really impatient. I got in too late on my entry, so I FOMO'd in a little bit, thinking the trade was gonna run off on me. So that was that. But it's cool though. Not really tripping about it. Not really mad. I know we can make it back because I already know I was on a 2 week winning streak, following up to even get here to get these funded accounts. So what's two losing days for me? Nothing. I know the probabilities are in my favor, so I'm gonna keep on trading my model the exact way I've been trading it. So we good. I'm chilling. Life is good. I got red bottoms on. You feel me? Sensational. But yeah, man. Today, man, I'm just a chill day, bro. It's cold outside, man. You already know how it is. So I'm just looking to execute. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Not really too much to talk about today, but something comes up. I try to keep the video as entertaining as possible, but you know, it's just a document of my journey, as you guys know. So I do this for myself as much as I do this for you guys. So we just chilling, man. I'm put my contracts on 3, depending on what type of setup I get. I hope I can get a good low risk setup. I can load my cons up. I can load my contracts up doing that. If I get them low tick setups, that's when I go in by like 4-5 contracts. So I like to base it off of that. But just to give y'all another top-down analysis on what I'm looking for and why I'm looking for that buy. The reason I'm looking for a buy because we had a breaker structure that was right here. So that's a major breaker structure on the daily. And then why I'm bullish, we got multiple breaker structure and a major breaker structure off of this loan. So they finally came up and got this liquidity, and we steady breaking structure to the upside. So looking like we may want to come up here and start climbing back up. This may be the next target. 4, 5, 6. So even on the 1 hour, we bullish. So all time frames are bullish. Every time frame bullish. So we got 4 time frame that's in confluence. So we looking for buys. Going with the trend. The trend is your friend. Especially with supply and demand. Supply and demand is a trend trading strategy. Every time I get on my phone, I see Michael Saylor buying another $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. This dude is an unlimited money brother. He got billions like he got tissue. That's crazy. I need to do some research on what all does Michael Saylor do. But that boy, the official Bitcoin maxi, that boy, he gonna ride behind that Bitcoin. Every time it dip, he buying some. I'm talking about the billions. Bitcoin dip $1, he buying some. Don't let it dip 10. Then it dipped $10,000. You know he went crazy. Went back to 90K. Man, that boy bought all that up. He ain't finna play with him. He got more Bitcoin than nah, BlackRock. The one got more Bitcoin. BlackRock buy. Excuse me. BlackRock buy a lot of Bitcoin too, but it just hit different when it's actual Michael Saylor. Ain't nobody showing no face buying Bitcoin with BlackRock. Michael Saylor showing his face. So you don't know who buying that Bitcoin with BlackRock. We just know the company BlackRock bought this. But of course, if you say MicroStrategy, but Michael Saylor, he'll get on news real quick, say I'm buying 10,000 Bitcoin today. Who gonna do about it? I'm getting it. So Michael Saylor, he creeping up on BlackRock. He almost there. I know he like the third biggest holder of Bitcoin. And he had said when he died, he said, "Shit, that shit coming with him." So the value gonna be there. Bitcoin definitely long run play, man. And when I get multiple lump sums of money, bro, I'm throwing that stuff in some Bitcoin. Bitcoin, like, let's be honest, like life insurance. Better than life insurance. It gonna outperform life insurance. Why you think they putting all their money in there? Cause if Bitcoin go to $1 million, that's a what? Another 10x from 100,000. So just imagine 10x off $10 billion. Like, that's crazy. And then get you $1 million off of there, you be sitting on 10 million, bro. And that Bitcoin gonna go far. Cause it's so valued. So that 10 million gonna be hitting like a billion in the future probably. For real. I saw a sign on social media. They had like a picket where you put your ads and buy and sell signs in front of properties and stuff. One of those, and it said house for sale, 1,000 XRP. So we definitely may see that coming happen I give it the next 5-10 years. Probably even closer than that. When they actually putting out signs for sale, like you can buy houses with crypto. Well, people been buying houses with crypto. It just be more under the table type of deal. But they still got a lot of regulations when it come to housing in America, because they want to know how much you spending on your house. The IRS taxes and all that stuff. They want to be in your business, but you come up to an investor as private capital, like say if somebody selling a house for 300K, 400K, like, hey man, I'll throw you 3 Bitcoin for that. What you want? 3 Bitcoins? I don't even care about the taxes. Let me get that. He know that Bitcoin coming up. That 3 Bitcoin gonna be worth more than that house. Duh. He probably settled for 2 Bitcoins. Man, somebody offer you some Bitcoin for your house, man, you better take that offer. Take that offer. I don't even care if it dump. Because in the long run, it's going to go back up. There's too many political players in it, bro. Too much politics. This how you know, like, Bitcoin probably going to be a forever asset. They added Bitcoin to the futures market. New York Stock Exchange, the Chicago, the CME, they added that to the futures market. Regulated. So, you think they wouldn't put nothing on the futures market that they don't trust and regulate it? Just ask yourself that, bro. They looking at Bitcoin like a real asset now. While we waiting, let's just see. I can even show y'all what I'm talking about. They got Bitcoin. Cause like I said, what? See, they ain't got regular Bitcoin, but they got micro Bitcoin. So this is what I'm saying. See, you can trade Bitcoin on the futures market, and Bitcoin's currently sitting at $104,000. It went back to all time high. What? Just recently, I didn't even know that. Bullish. Look at all this, bro. Bitcoin. I don't even know. But I'm pretty sure like this moves slow too, as far as tick wise. You know, telling how slow this move. But I know a lot of people trade this on the forex side. They be making some money. I just feel like on the future side, I don't need to trade a crypto. I mean, I could, but I don't need to. But forex side, you could. It's good. It's especially if you can get in with some small lots or some big lots when it get a dip, just ride it all the way back up. Cause crypto, you can be making the money all day. The market ain't gonna close. 24/7 market. And that's another thing I love about crypto. You can trade it all day. Money fluctuating all day long. No pause. Nothing. Just money to be made. So you can hold your positions as long as you want to. And you can't even, I don't think they let you do that on Bitcoin on futures. So that's how you know it's regulated. Bitcoin up there with the stocks, man. Mm-mm. Had to bite my thumbnail. My apologies. If this ruffles y'all feathers, I know some people they get ruffled up around stuff like that. But it was growing abnormally. I didn't want it to grow into my skin, so I had to bite it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What we doing? Yeah, I ain't really like what was going on up here on gold. All the candles too jumbled up. Still feel like a range to me. So I don't really like that. This the best because if it break past a structure, it's a minor break of structure, but it acting like it want to break past this for some reason. So I gotta watch out on the bullishness because it almost broke past this, and this really didn't make a official high because the candles didn't close below. I mean, the candles didn't close above these candles as well. So them little things you gotta look out for, especially determining your biases. You gotta look at the candle closes. It didn't even take the liquidity out. So why would it go down that far? And there's another thing, like when you see stuff like that, that'd be a good sign that price want to push back down lower. It was literally, it wasn't even a tick from taking the liquidity out. It wasn't even 10 points. It wasn't even, it was one, it was 1, 2 ticks, I guess. Price going to get there, bro. So Price gonna take this shit out, bro. Trust me. And why it's heading down there now? Cause ain't no way y'all leave this much to come get that liquidity. So I may finna get ready to base a bias around it. I don't know. This kind of choppy, so don't really have a good zone. And price respecting this right here, this 4 hour. So you may want to come back down here, fill this gap. We gonna see. There's a lot of liquidity too, bro. lots and lots of liquidity. We might finna see a structural shift. Not gonna lie. If it break past this, I may look for some opportunities to go short. I may. It just depends. And this might be the supply counter that orchestrates the move. But I need to see some aggressive pushing down here. If it's really gonna come back up, take this liquidity, then I know if price wanna keep running down. Cause you see that rejection right there? I need a good candle. Good candle. But I'm confident he'll come get this liquidity. For sure. I'm gonna say this once again, guys. My apologies. If you guys tuning in, thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I just want to express that I am truly grateful. I'm truly grateful for you guys. Thank you. Just a chill guy trying to make it on these charts. You feel me? Going to make it on these charts. I'm a chill guy that's going to make it on these charts. No doubt about it. So, thank you. My video is gonna be upgrading along the journey. You guys start noticing that as well. So I'm still getting better at the editing. I've been dabbling with that. Still new to YouTube, posting videos, putting myself out there as much. So give me some time. We gonna get there. Give me some time, man. We'll get there. Okay. Say less. Say less. There's no gaps at all. No flat sound. Like I don't even got a 1 hour supply to even base this on. So look how the wick. It's not a full candle. So I don't have a 1 hour supply to even be in confluence with this 5 minute. It's sloppy. That's why you see these candles, no gaps. So we gotta wait to see. I'm definitely looking to see their liquidity down there get taken out. Just peek back in on Dow. I'm waiting for that zone to get tapped at the bottom. Not gonna lie. Looking like this supply zone won't work out. This might push it down, but Dow so bullish, it's not worth it. I'd rather wait for it to come down here and not take my entry. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. How y'all ever been following people on Instagram? You just be like, I don't even know who this is. Like, I constantly be unfollowing people. Like, who is these people? Like, just been pushing buttons. So I've been slowly correcting my social medias for me to even be on them. I just want to see positivity and abundance. So if it ain't nothing positive on my feed, delete. But I like threads though. I got nothing but traders on threads. Hey, price for the tank. I ain't got no clear zones on gold, so we gonna focus on Dow. Pride from the tank. I probably asked me like, if you figured that, why didn't you get into the setup? Because, bro, I mean, it just ain't worth the chasing the setup. I mean, I want to go with the trend. You never know what can happen. That's so bullish, it might just keep on going up. So I see it. I be calling out a lot of setups, like counter trend setups. I just choose not to take them. Once I get a little bit more buffer, I start taking them. Just depends on if it makes sense or not. Like this trade makes sense. And do you want the type of setup that makes sense for me? Like it's a make sense counter trend. I'm expecting the price to come down here and tap this liquidity to hit this zone, and I want it to go back up. And then we had this bullish imbalance right here. So we got to make sure that close inside the gap. Feel the whole thing because it could just reject right on out of that imbalance and just start going up. See, the trade makes sense. That's what I wanted it to do to come down here, but it's not just because you want it to do it don't mean it's gonna do it. So that's why I didn't take it. Look like it reacted off this zone. Nah, he didn't touch this zone yet. I'm hoping this one invalidates. Yeah, but from that it was a nice setup though. You know what I mean? You're not gonna lie, like it wouldn't. He probably got ran off of him. Probably just respected this 5 minute. But I feel like he want to come take this liquidity though. This probably was a fake guy, honestly. It's too much liquidity under here. But it can work. I just know we'll get a stronger move if it come hit this on 1 hour. But hey, it's working out in favor. It's working out. We'll take a look at gold right quick. See what it's doing. Just for the meantime. See if it came down there and broke, took that liquidity. Yep, it's on its way down there. I said it. I said it. And it left us a good zone. Let's see. I'll be looking to take this zone if it come down here and break past this because it'll be breaking past this 1 hour structure. That'd be a 1 hour structure break. I'll be looking to take that one. I set an alert on it. Yeah, that's a good one. I'll be looking to take that one. It makes sense. Trading view charts, bro. I must gotta get the upgrade, bro. Cause my stuff so delayed in the past. Is that even is I'm even on what's the contract name for gold? GCG 25. I don't know what the hell trading view talking about. I'm just gonna do this. Open up me a separate window to the side. Y'all guys won't be able to see it though. Yeah, gold took the liquidity. Low key though, I'm gonna take this Dow. This Dow. Cause I low key I like both setups right now. What I this both setups got a good hand. I ain't gonna lie. I got both setups got a good hand. Oh, my bad, guys. It's the gold really still ain't officially took out their liquidity though. key liking the Dow better. Something telling me to take the Dow. The gold setup could win. Still though. It'd be like when you got two good setups from up here, like which one I'ma take? Two A pluses. Well, this the A plus. I give the gold setup an A. Still, it's still a good setup. Usually when I say I'm looking forward to do this, and that, and if it do this, and that, so that'd be good setups for me. Cause sometimes, when you're looking at the market, you're looking at the charts, and you giving your analysis, and you saying, I'm looking forward to do this, and that, so I can execute. And when they do that, them be the good setups, man. Start trusting your intuition. They don't be just by accident. It's from you. Then your long hours spent on the chart with your same setup. You don't trade that setup and that strategy hundreds, or even thousands of times. So that's when that trader's intuition started kicking in. So I'm just looking for this zone to get invalidated. So come take out this liquidity. And then start pushing back up. That's what I'm looking for. But let me just take a look at it go. Let me show y'all. It's coming up. So gold did exactly what I really wanted it to do. But it didn't do exactly really what I wanted to do because it didn't come out here and take this liquidity. This liquidity ain't got touched yet, so I wanted it to come take this liquidity, bro. Maybe this gonna be the setup they do it. But I feel a banger coming. I do. I feel a banger trade coming. And it's coming up on 9:52. Usually when I get in the setup on Dow, around that time, them be them good ones too. Then I don't know what about that 9:50, but when the setup aligns around 9:50, yeah, them be them bangers. I'm locked in on Dow. I ain't gonna even look at gold no more. If it win, it win. Congratulations for the people that did take that setup. If you lose, it lose. Don't let it get to you. It was a good setup. That was a great setup. I don't care. Don't second guess yourself. That was a great setup to take. Cause people they'll take a loss and be like, man, well, this even a great setup, bro. That was a great setup, man. Don't fault yourself just because it was a loss, man. Cause you gotta know we can take our A plus setups all day and they still can lose. Still can lose. Probability game. And like I said, it's a possibility that I can get in this and it can lose, but I got the abundant mindset that we good. We good, bro. I feel it. I feel great. And I love when I feel great about my setup. I'm feeling great about this setup. I feel great about both of them. So I'm just feeling great in general. The charts aligning, it's clear. I'm understanding what market structure is doing. So I'm not guessing. I can give a great analysis on what I want to happen for me to execute. So This this a great market that I'm trading in right now. It's easy and understandable. So you guys need to figure out a way to make trading easy in the most understandable way for you possible. Just stop overthinking it, man. Just make it simple. Keep it simple. Like people make this stuff look like rocket science, but only thing you seen is just red and green candles going up and down. You watching the same thing over and over. You can get these patterns. All you doing is just training your eyes. This 5 minute zone might work out, but I wanted to hit that. I wanted to hit that 1 hour. I ain't looking to take that zone. Too much liquidity below it, and liquidity haven't even been taken out yet. That's why I'm looking to take it. I'm looking because I have some confidence. Once it take this liquidity, it can push down and go and tap this 1 hour, then we can start pushing back up. Let's check. See if was them gold buddies. See, look. Same like I said, it can be a great setup and still lose. It don't matter, bro. It can be an A+ setup to you and still lose. And I was already feeling kind of iffy about it because it didn't come out and take this liquidity yet. I wanted to come take this liquidity, and then what I tell you, I wanted to break and close on here, but it didn't do that. So we just, cause I was like, man, why is not coming take this liquidity? That's what I was worried about. That's why I decided to stick with Dow, and I'm glad I'm trust my intuition. This setup can take off on me. It might, cause it came down here rejecting this. It might get a break of the counter and start going up. Who knows? Who knows? But I'm looking to execute on my A+. My A pluses, bro. I want that A+. So if you did end up taking this 5 minute demand and it win, kudos for you. Happy for you. But hey, I'm looking for my A+ setup, man. So a lot of people just got in just then on that break of the calendar. It's looking like it's gonna go up though. Ooh, fake out. Mm, it's tough. Like I said, I don't even want it to set up do play. I don't even want it to be a fake out. I want the people to win that took this setup. But if this setup do fake out, y'all know y'all know exactly why I didn't take it. I done seen it happen too many times on the 5 minute. That's why I scared up to the 1 hour. Them 5 minutes on, they too predictable. They know it's a lot of liquidity. And I bet a lot of people put their stop loss under here and stop loss orders under here. Nah. Nope, sir. Come on, get them people a win. If the setup gonna play out, give them a win. Okay, that's a good sign though. It recover back up on top of that counter. Okay, y'all might be good. As much as I want to take it to, that's what I do. Especially after I saw that. But I'd rather just stay disciplined to myself, man. I don't want to go back to my old habits. I get rewarded in the long run. And this setup might even play out, get the people 1 and 1, 1 and 2, and then come back down to the 1 hour. They go check out the goal again, see what explosive push. They go got this great. It's like it's trying to play out this big demand gone big. Hex nah. They're so nasty. They don't even look like they want to hold up. Man, I feel like they gonna come take this liquidity, bro. This zone too big. Mm-mm. See, that didn't even that didn't even seem true. That stuff gonna come take this liquidity, bro. I went in there to take that big ass on. Oh shit. Yeah, good shit. Good shit. I might get the 1 2. If this supply zone hold up. If this supply zone don't hold up. Yeah, I might get the 1 and 2 if this zone break. It ain't got no gaps. Yeah, I might get the 1 and 2. Yeah, I might even can target up here. Shit. Good shit. Shit, the people that took that risk on that setup. Good shit. Good stuff, bro and girls. So hey, let's see if y'all get that push back up. But just it wasn't an A+ setup for me. It wasn't the ideal setup. So I knew too much liquidity resting under them lows. I see those setups fail so often, so much. So I'm cool. Cause I only trade 1 hour zones, and if I see something forming inside the 1 hour zone, that makes sense. You gotta have a lot of confluence for me to enter a 5 minute, bro. Come on, man. Don't be trying to fake people out, bro. Nah, but if you got in right here, you low key got cooked. Nah, no, you didn't. Let's see. This counter went up. Yeah, if you got in when this counter closed and panicked out the trade from the runaway, you got cooked. You got cooked. You definitely got cooked. And my apologies, you had to go through that. But come on, man. Don't lose, bro. Don't lose. At least let them get. They got them. I got the 1-on-1 though, but though I said this supply zone gotta fail. That though I said that the supply zone don't fail, y'all. It's trade pretty much cooked. But hey, y'all should have been probably breaking even anyway, seeing that supply zone. If I would saw any rejection out of that supply zone, I would have broke even. Experienced traders, they would know that. But a lot of people get in and out the market though with this 1-on-1 real quick. So a lot of people probably came, put they put their TP right here on the top of the supply zone just to be safe. So they could have got like a 1 or 2.8. But this supply zone absolutely has to invalidate for this stuff to go up here probably. I'm still looking to get my setup out of it. Let me see. If this forming another okay, that was a pretty crazy rejection on this 1 hour candle. So yeah, this y'all probably finna go and push up. The rejection were kinda crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That was a good rejection. Y'all probably gonna push up. But I don't know. This counter break past this counter boy. On this supply zone, I'm gonna be rubbing my hands again. See, I'm finna get my setup. Ooh, come on. But yeah, y'all should be breaking even. Especially if you seeing if they counter finna get ready to break past that counter. If you ain't broke even by now, you asking a little money. Like you gotta know these signs, man, on what a winning trade looks like. So if you trade supply and demand, you should know when a trade from a lose, and you should know you should know the characteristics of a losing trade and the characteristics of a winning trade. We don't know. Just know look at the characteristics of what the candles usually do when you lose and stuff like this. These the characteristics because it's looking like price from create a higher low. I mean a lower low because this kind of got to come up here and break structure for the trend to stay bullish. So if it stop right here and fail, keep on pushing down, it might be over with. Not gonna lie, bro. Might be over with. But hey, still wishing you good luck and faith in that trade. Oh shit, see? See? What I tell y'all? Look at that. Soon as I off on the click off on gold. Okay, price going back down. I knew, man, like, bro, this liquidity got to get taken out, bro. I knew for sure. I knew this. I knew this zone ain't gonna hold out. So I know they still want this liquidity, man. They still want it. There's one big ass zone too. I just wanted to leave a 1 hour. Mm. They still want. They go back on down. Young nigga, preach, 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 preach. Okay, maybe just came to fill this gap and push back up. Cause it immediately reject out of that gap. They break past the candle, y'all might be good. Come on, break past the candle. I be telling people get on US 30, man. US 30 straight. It's better than NASDAQ. He ain't doing nothing right now. We got some time to go check out something else. See what gold doing. I'll peek back over there on the next 5 minute calendar. Yeah, this was just a liquidity grab. Hmm. Still need that liquidity to get taken out. Okay, there we go. Good shit. There we go. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. What's up? What's up? I see it. I see it. Okay, so this zone held up. On to the next, cause I don't see that coming down there anytime soon. I've got to put an alert on it. And see, we like I gotta train yourself not to have FOMO as well. If you gonna be disciplined, be disciplined. Don't be halfway disciplined. If you gonna be disciplined, bro. Yeah, my chart so behind on TradingView. It don't make no sense it's that far behind though. Like this crazy. It's It's like you forced to buy the charts. It don't make no sense. It shouldn't be that far behind, bro. I got a whole. Let's see, about 4, 5 candles on Top Step. When Trading View only showing me like one candle, that's crazy. Top Step, y'all got it, man. I like Top Step X. Come on, take this liquidity out, bro. Stop playing games. Let me see. Did y'all hit that 1 or 2 on there? Almost. Almost. But let me lock in on gold. That setup pretty much gone. And nah, guys, don't be mad like, man, you let a winning setup go away. Nah, bro. It's not. Sometimes it ain't all about winning, bro. It's bigger than that. It's bigger than that, man. I'm trying to master myself, bro. Like I made myself a promise and I want to stick to it. It's bigger than that, bro. I'm just trying to catch a setup. I'm doing this stuff because I love to do it, not because I'm. Of course, I want to make money from it, but if I really love to do it, I want to do it to the best of my abilities. Like just forget about the money. The money gonna come. It's a reward of your efforts. I'm having fun right now. Believe it or not, I'm genuinely having fun. I'm in peace. I'm content. Go put some clothes on. My son trying to come here, but I know he ain't got no clothes on, so I can't let him in here. Man, I feel like this stuff gonna come take this liquidity, bro. this. He gonna have to take. He gonna have to reject out of this a lot for me to take this. If you reject out of here, I might do something with it. Go put some clothes on, Si. Let me do 2 contracts. Yeah. Oh, well, he got his clothes on. He can come in. Do you got clothes on? 'Cause I'm recording. Do you have clothes on? His charger back there. Yeah, I'm looking forward to reject out of this zone. It look like it could. I'm doing it. What? There we go. Oh, it didn't let me do the amount of contracts I wanted. Oh, they won't let me do 3 contracts? Dang. That's crazy. I thought I'd be able to do 3 contracts. They only let you do 2. Yeah, I like the rejection coming out of this. So we gonna see. And I feel like it can go down there and take that liquidity out. Yeah, we gonna see. See what we got here. Here we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna target this liquidity. Let me just line up my risk and reward box. Make sure. Yeah, I'm good. So I'm risking 360 on this. Yeah, we're risking 360 on this. Not too bad. I might give it a try. We'll see. See what we can get. Trying to see if we can go and break past this candle. Hey, I thought I can go in with 3 contracts, but it's cool. 2, it's cool. Cause I was trying to go in with extra contract because I got in at a pretty good area with a stop loss. I can load up my contracts. So we just hit a 1-on-1. Trying to target this liquidity. get it. Let's see. 1.5. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Was it a fake out? Let's see, did we get faked out? We gonna see. Yeah. If this counter closing zone, I need this counter reject out the zone. Come on, we got 1 minute left. I need this counter reject out of the zone. They break past this counter, I'm gonna get out. I cut my losses short. It's cool. So, hey, it's a loss. It's cool. We come back. We ain't lose number 226 today. So we knew when to cut our losses short. Know when to cut your losses. So yeah. Let me just see how this trade play out. Yep. So know when to cut y'all losses. So yeah, we through for today. We gonna take that loss to the chin. We down 1,300. So hey, I stay disciplined. Find a setup. Like I said, you still can lose. So y'all gonna see me lock myself out. Come back another day. That's the live or trade. You win some, you lose some. So now we got three. So we got 3 losing days in a row. So hey, it's fine. We can make it back. All I gotta do is just stay disciplined, stay patient, and continue to trade our strategy. Peace.